12 past today. Here you are, change the day. Don't you ask why the time moved too fast? Because this day is yours. Forget the past and thinking about the future. Stay awake, stay sober. Guess the joys and the craze drive to you. Happy
Sabay nga, ang dapat magawin nga, kamuhi ang ayan nga wag, ang sabay nga abupang beri, mga po. I love you.
I just wish the best for you.
Denang.
I know you for the now.
Di imong sarili, di ba pagbayaan, magkalipay ka pirmi. Mag niya nga, magwarang-warang kung sino itong lugar, parang ano rin imong pinino.
Nang happy birthday. O, bigyan ka marami pang birthday. Taga, bigyan ka ng lakas ng yung katawan mo. Happy birthday. I love you nang.
Happy birthday na. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka lagi dyan. God is always. Happy birthday.
Ayan. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Don't let unsafe lang hello to your birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Bulin. Enjoy your day. I hope you will have more birthdays to come. Please take care of your health. Laging magdasal at alagaan ang sarili. Huwag baybayang magkasakit. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay at enjoyin mo lang ang buhay mo. Laging manalangin at mag-iingat palagi. At tandaan, mahal ka ng mga anak mo, ng pamilya mo, at ng Diyos. Bye and happy birthday again.
Hello po tita, happy birthday po. May God bless you always. And sana marami pang birthday po ang ma-celebrate po. Kasama nyo po yung mga pamilya nyo. And then keep safe po parate. And enjoy your day po tita. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday Nanay Dolin. More birthdays to come and good health always Nanay Dolin namin. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, sa kaarawan mo. We love you.
I just wish the best for you.
Happy birthday ma. Wish ko lang ma, bigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng maraming birthday na darating. At good health lang. Alam ko, ngayong birthday mo ma, maraming surprise yata mga anak para sa'yo eh. Yung mga surprise na yun ma, enjoy mo lang kasi deserve mo yan. Dahil mulat talaga suportahan mo sila, hindi mo sila pinababayaan hanggang ngayon ma. Nandiyan ka pa rin. Kaya enjoy mo na araw na to ma. Marami pang darating na birthday. Marami pang surprise lang ipakakita sa'yo. Dahil sa mabait ng mga anak mong papapalaan ma. Kaya isa lang masabi sa'yo ma, enjoy lang yung araw na to. Marami na talagang makikita ma ngayong birthday mo ma. Happy birthday ma, I love you.
I know you for the now.
Surprise. Si Papa yun. Hello ma. Belated happy birthday. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you. Mabilis ang thank you lang. Thank you so much for everything. Sa lahat ng sacrifices mo. Sa gift of life. Sa pagpaanak mo sa akin. Thank you so much. Kung wala ka, wala ako. Wala kami lahat. So thank you so much. Mahal na mahal ka natin. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Ngayong 27. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Sunod na celebration natin 100 years. So, thank you ma, thank you for everything. Thank you. Yun lang.
mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsiselebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy